Hello class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your SST teacher. As you know that again we are going to start our online classes. So before this I would like to inform you that uh, take full precaution, okay, like use sanitizer and also wash your hands, put mask, okay, all things you have to do properly, okay. So before starting our class, let us look at your book. Here this is your SST book, class 6th, okay. Is it clear? Here there are 3 parts. First part history, second part civics, third part geography, okay. See the copy. See, one sided like this you have to make copy for geography. One side plain and one side lining. Okay, is it clear? And for history and civics, both side lining. Yes, like this, both side lining. Okay. I will give syllabus after 2 or 3 days. Okay. Before writing your pledge mission, when you write a pledge mission, everything, leave 2 pages. Okay. For what? For syllabus. Okay. I will provide you later on within 1 or 2 days. Okay. So this is your SST book. In history we have to study 12 chapters, okay, and we have divided it into 2 parts, means a half yearly portion and annual portion, okay. And also same in the civics, we have 9 chapters in civics, and same in geography also we have 9 chapters. All these are also we have divided into 2 parts, means a half yearly and annual, okay. So see, today we start, I'm not going to start chapter, but I would like to introduce you about your first chapter, okay. What topics we should study in chapter 1, okay. Let us see on the blackboard. See, introduction of chapter 1. Chapter 1, an approach towards the past. We have to look towards the past. First question arises, what is history? Okay, then importance of history. We know history, but we always think that what is the importance of history? Why there is need of history? Why we study history? Okay. Third, division of the past. We have divided the past into 2 parts. Okay. We will discuss later on. Now, sources of history. What are the sources of history? From where we come to know all these? Okay. And fifth one, the concept of dates in history. What is the, or also what is the importance of dates in history? Why there is need of date? Always you ask your parents that mother, tell me my date of birthday and when India got independence and when our constitution made, and so many things you asked your parents, and each topic you asked related to date. Without date, nothing is, or you can say nothing can be prepared. Okay, so let's come to know about what is history. Okay, history. What is history? History is the life story of man. किसकी कथा है? Life story of man. हमारी, इनकी हमारी कहानी है. From कब से? From the earliest period to the present day. बहुत पुराने समय से लेकर के आज तक की जो हमारी लाइफ स्टाइल है, उसी को हम क्या कहते हैं? हिस्ट्री. ओके. History is the lifestyle or life story of man from the earliest period to the present day. Present day, okay, means aaj tak ka. Second, what is the importance of, second question is here that what is the importance of history? Let us know about the importance of history. The study of history is important. Why? In so many ways. Its importance is very, the importance of history is very important. So it may be in very ways. So let us discuss about one or two ways. First of all, it helps us. It helps us to know. But history helps us to know but our past. History help, हिस्ट्री से हम अपने पुराने ज़माने के बारे में जान सकते हैं, हम अपनी बीती हुई बातों के बारे में जान सकते हैं. We our past, we come to know about our past. Second thing, through history we come to know about kings and also about ordinary people. Okay, through history we come to know about kings, statesmen, and as well as our ordinary people who used to live during that time. Okay, and also we have divided, there is a division of history. Third point is division of history. There is also division of history, prehistory and history. Okay, prehistory means it is the period of human development. It is the period of human development. ये कैसा समय है? ये डेवलपमेंट का समय है. When writing had not been invented, उस समय writing invented नहीं था, and human beings didn't know how to read and how to write. लोगों को कैसे पढ़ना है, कैसे लिखना है, ये चीज़ें उन्हें पता नहीं थी. ओके, एंड सेकेंड हिस्ट्री, इट इज़ द पीरियड फॉर विच written records are available, and history is the period or the time for which but written records are kept, or you can say available. Okay, now next we will study in detail. Okay beta, now sources of history. What are the sources? हमें from where we got all these ideas, all this knowledge about this? First, archaeological, okay, and literary. In archaeological you can see monuments, coins, inscriptions, so many things. पुराने ज़माने के coins से भी हमको पता चलता है. And literary means handwritten records, or we come to know through religious literature, and also we come to know a lot of things through our travelers. Okay, travelers account, what they have written in their book. Okay, suppose any traveler visited from China to India, and after leaving India they left their written accounts. Through this account we come to know a lot of things about our past, about our kings, about our rulers, and also about our common peoples. Okay, all these things are we get through their written, or you can say travelers accounts. Okay, now and other topics also here we may not forget, that is that in literary and also geographical impact, we may not forget the topic geographical impact. Okay, and also in geographical impact, physical features that spread India and Great Himalayas, the northern plains, the Deccan Plateau, coastal plains, and also last, that is the concept of dates in history. Okay, concept of date in history We take, suppose I just told na, uh, we calculate days and night through a proper system of dates and years. Suppose हमें कुछ count करना होता है तो we count only because of date and days. Okay, and tomorrow we will start our chapter. So I hope you all have purchased your books and copies. So from tomorrow let's begin our chapter. Okay, so today only this much. Thank you.